Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Perfectly competitive markets can be tricky, but we can solve this tofu problem fast. Let's look at how price changes affect a firm's total output.
In a perfectly competitive market, the price is exactly equal to the marginal revenue. This means every single unit sold brings in the same amount of extra cash for the firm.
To maximize profits, a firm always produces where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. If the market price drops, the marginal revenue curve shifts downward, changing the intersection point on the graph. Lower marginal revenue requires the firm to reduce production quantity. Option D is the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing by watching signs. Trust the info and check your steps.